Engine oil? I've heard of it, but I wonder what it does.
Engine oil circulates inside the engine to protect it.
Doctor, oil is pumped up with a pump to be sent to various spots in the engine, am I right?
Really? But what does it mean, to protect the engine?
Engine oil works for lubricating, cooling, sealing, cleaning, and rust prevention.
What? It has 5 tasks. I can't remember all of them.
That's what I thought. Lubricating and cooling are the major tasks of the engine oil, and let's talk about those 2 functions now.
Lubricating and cooling.
Let's begin with lubricating. For example, the piston moves up and down in the tube called cylinder. The oil between cylinder and piston helps the piston move smoothly.
Doctor, this oil also prevents the metal parts from rubbing against each other to be worn down.
Wow, I see.
Okay, the next is cooling. Engine gets really hot because it works by burning gasoline. So, the circulation of oil cools it down.
Doctor, some motorcycles have oil sprayed at the back of the pistons.
I've never thought of using oil to cool something down. That's interesting.
One more thing. Actually, engine oil needs to be replaced regularly.
What happens if we don't do that?
When the oil becomes old, the power to protect engine gets weak gradually. If you keep using it without replacing, it could shorten the life of the engine.
Oops. The oil is exhausted. It can't protect the engine.
But, don't worry. The oil is tested for various properties in severe conditions during the development of Honda Genuine Engine Oil. The oil that satisfies these strict requirements is put out in the market. That's why Honda Genuine Oil can bring out the Honda vehicle performance to its maximum. For details, see the site for the Honda Genuine Engine Oil, Pro Honda.
If you are not sure about your motorcycle, just stop by Honda dealer and ask them.